Hello, my name is Bahar Armagani. I'm the Director for Sustainability and the Built Environment Program. I was hoping to do this presentation in person, and I was looking forward to meeting you all. But due to the current events, we have to do this virtually. At the end of this presentation, I will leave you my contact information. I hope you will reach out to me if you have any questions. Our program looks at sustainability holistically. Sustainability is an integrated approach to understand interactions between people and the environment. This system approach is fundamental for designing effective solutions to sustainability challenges. We teach the students to identify these sustainability challenges and come up with solutions under the three pillars of sustainability: people, planet, and profit, focusing on human health, energy, water, land use, food, waste, transportation, and resiliency. Our program is the youngest and one of the top 3 fastest growing programs in our college. We started back in 2008 with 9 students. Today we have 163 students. We have graduated 138 students. About 20% of them have either completed or have entered one of the 3 combined degree programs that we have. I will discuss that in the next couple of slides. We also offer minor in sustainability to other majors across campus, including architecture, building construction, urban planning, landscape architecture, interior design, engineering, history, agriculture, economics, business, and so on. So we have 145 students have earned their minor in sustainability with us. So if you're still interested in sustainability and passionate about it, and you want to pursue the major that you're really interested in, you can get your minor in sustainability with us. Our program has 3 dedicated faculty. We started with myself in 2014, then we hired Professor Knowles in 2018, and then Professor Patton in 2019. Other faculties are involved with our program, including a faculty from architecture, building construction, interior design, landscape architecture, urban and regional planning, and 1 faculty from outside our college from Program for Resource Efficient Communities. These faculties advise our program in terms of curriculum, and they mentor our students for their final year research project. We have a fantastic advising team. These are the people that you need to remember their names and recognize their faces. They have a lot of experience in advising. Students love them. They work with the students very closely. They help them to draft their roadmap to a successful and timely completion. Of course, you can come to us to anytime you have any questions, but they will be the first one actually, and maybe the best to talk to first. To earn your bachelor's in sustainability and the built environment degree with us, you need to complete 120 credit hours. We have 2 specializations, interdisciplinary or geodesign. And if you decide to pursue minor in sustainability with us, you need to complete 15 credit hours. We also offer combined degrees, 4+1, meaning you can get your master's in 1 year after completing your bachelor's. And that those masters are in historic preservation, urban and regional planning, and coming soon in 2021 in integrated sustainable development, and you can get your master's in 2 years in landscape architecture. The objectives of the interdisciplinary specializations are discovering the dynamics of complex systems, learning principles of resilient thinking and practices, understanding the sustainable development infrastructure and the built environment with its systems, including electrical, mechanical, plumbing, and clearly understanding the economic aspect of sustainability. For geodesign specialization, you will learn a set of concepts and methods used to collaboratively design and realize the optimal solution for special challenges in the built and natural environment, utilizing all the available techniques and data in an integrative process. This is our master's in integrated sustainable development that will be offered in fall of 2021, and it is part of our combined degree program 4+1. The important thing, if you're interested in this, you need to start early on to make sure you're taking some of the graduate courses while you're doing your undergraduate study. Learning methods in our program is focused on hands-on learning, some lectures, and individual groups, field trips, study abroad, internships, and individual research. In our interdisciplinary specialization, we focus heavily on skills learning that are needed in the industry in terms of energy audit, and the soft skills is very important to us. Leadership skills are very, very important. So when our students graduating, they are ready to hit the ground running when they start working. We hear from industry that they have hired our students. They tell us that we have saved them about 6 to 8 months of training because of what they have learned in our program. Field trips is a big part of our program to see sustainability in action. We have field trips locally, but one main field trip for 3 days, we go to Atlanta to show the students sustainability in action, visiting different sites, including developments, water management, other universities, and see how they conduct sustainability on their campus. And it has been the highlight of our program. Research method, we teach our students how to conduct research while they are undergraduate, because we prepare them for graduate school if they're decided to do that, but at the same time prepare them to tackle any project that come their way when they started working. So the research in terms of about investigating a topic, finding facts, gathering information, analyzing that information, and presenting it, making conclusion. Capstone projects is the student's last individual research project. It is a substantial work that they conduct in the last semesters that they have with us before graduating. The student select a topic that they are passionate about, and they can innovate in applying all the tools, skills, and knowledge they have learned throughout their college career with us. The student is mentored by a faculty that is expert in that area, and usually the faculty can be within from our college or within the university, or even an industry leader in that topic that they are going to select in. The project is substantial. The research project is about 40-page paper, a presentation, and a video, basically showcasing their ability and readiness for the job market. We also have internships, and those internships, our students it's very important for us. We ask our students to take a minimum one internship before they graduate to understand and learn how the workplace work, what is their role and within the team when they work, how they communicate with people, how they utilize their leadership and their people skills and soft skills learned from the school and apply it during their internships. Our students do internships locally and nationally and internationally. Also, we have a great study abroad programs, and our students have been involved with the mostly with the Italy study abroad and Netherlands study abroad. We also have a board from industry leader in sustainability that we have established back in 2014, and the intent of having this board to give us advice on what's happening in the market and the sustainability industry, and we prepare our students in terms of the skill learning and readiness to be ready for those jobs that are available in the sustainability industry. So we're looking at the demand and we try to provide the supply. So our students to be recession free, as we call it, they will have multitasking and they will understand different things to do it. So if they are hired by an organization, they will be able to conduct multiple jobs and overlapping in certain areas. The employment, where a lot of times people ask us, sustainability is a new degree, people don't know where they will be working, what type of job they will be doing. And these are the organizations that our students have done internships with, and some of those organizations our students are actually work there. Siemens has been one of the organizations that has been coming to us on recruiting our students for the past few years. And more construction companies are coming and hiring our students. Consulting, engineering, consulting, and architectural firms are hiring our students. Some of the students are interested in working for a nonprofit organization, and that's what basically we prepare them to do that too. In terms of student involvement on campus, there are a lot of student organizations the students can get involved with, and some of those organizations not only on campus, but you can involve with community too. A lot of times people ask us, well, where are your graduates? So our graduates, basically 50% of them go to grad schools, and these are some of the schools that they go to, including Georgia Tech and Columbia, New York University, and others. And the other 50%, they work in the industry or for-profit or non-profit organizations. They have worked in terms of being project managers. They have worked to be a consultant. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this presentation and learn a little bit about our program. I know there's just this scratching the surface and there's a lot more probably you have questions about, but please contact me in below email that you see there. I can answer any questions you have through the email, or if you prefer, I can get on the phone and answer any questions you have. Again, thank you so much.